Hello everyone, it is Susan here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on a tag for hashtag Tag Tuesday, which is a collaboration, an open collaboration hosted by Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. Her link will be below, so head on over, check out her channel, and she'll have the links to everybody's channels in her description box of who is participating. So the tag that we're going to work on today is for my friend. So this is the envelope journal. I have it wrapped up. It's going to go into a bag, but yeah, but this is kind of like a tissue paper, but it's more of a plastic. But anyways, so I have the envelope journal in here, and I thought, well, I need to put a card or something in there. So, well, I thought, well, let's do a tag. And because we're doing the napkin collaboration right now, I have all my napkins out, so I'm like, well, let me look through my napkins. So I liked this napkin for two reasons. The first is, well, the real reason is because of the colors, right? So the inside of the journal, there's really not pink in it, but this is pink. So I was looking for something that had some browns and teals and pinks. And I found this. It's like so perfect. So this is what I'm going to use. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this down, because then this way, oops, it will look good on the outside of the package, as well as she will be able to use it on the inside. Right, so there's pockets on the inside that are long and narrow, and she'll be able to put this tag in there. So yeah, so I thought it would serve, you know, two really good purposes, right? So it will look pretty on the package, and it will give her something else to put on the inside that you know, would remind her of me, of us, right? Okay, so that might be a little bit crooked, but that's all right. We'll kind of deal with it. So I'll just go ahead and give this a cut, and then I'm just going to cut, I guess, the top and the bottom, and we're going to add some things to it. I want to put like a little, like a label on the front where I can put her name. And yeah, maybe some other embellishments as well. So let me just trim this up, because I didn't get it on there quite straight. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take my little guillotine trimmer here, and I'm just going to give a little trim to both ends, just to clean it up and make it look nice. All right. So let's see what we got going on here. I'm going to zoom in just a tad. All right. So this is what I've taken out. I have a little bit of, I didn't know if I wanted to pull in a little bit of a doily or a little bit of like this paper lace up here. I kind of think that looks kind of pretty, right? I would cut off that top or fold it over or something. See, because I love the colors so much on here that I don't really want to cover them up. So maybe I'll put the doily to the side, because I will be covering it up a little bit, because like I said, I wanted to add like a label on the front. And if you remember, I had these digitals on the inside, so I thought it would be nice to also put it on the outside. But I don't know, I'm not totally in love. I don't hate it, but I'm not totally in love. Like, that's pretty. And that is pretty. I think I like that one the best. It's the smallest. It's the lightest in color. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one. Let me just clean up the edges just a little bit here. And so if I put that somewhere like that, which would be fine, I also wanted to maybe put one of these images on it, the paper die cut. Because I do have some inside, and I was thinking I may have her already inside. I'm not sure. I thought she would look really cute on here. But again, I don't want to cover up too much of the colors, but right, so that looks cute, right? I like that, but yeah, I think I might have her inside. But then I have this, which I also liked, but now I don't like it up against that little label. But I really like this one the most. I just liked everything about her. She's holding a little purse. She's got a little bit of attitude going on. If I inked up her edges just a little bit, I'm thinking it would help with that major contrast. Like there's so much white on her, right? So let me do this. Now, I really was going to try not to use this die cut because, again, I really don't have pink on the inside. But you want to know something? My friend will never even, she'll never even like see that. You know what I mean? She'll never notice it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of ink where all the white is. Okay. Much better. Look at that. That's good, right? I like it. And do I want that there? I think I do want that there. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to put this down, and I will put her name on it so that she, you know, it's on the front of her gift. And I don't mind covering up some of this big brown flower. I just want to make sure I get this in the right spot. So before I push it all the way down, like I'm putting her kind of on this like pink diamond strip here because I kind of feel like then she's standing on it. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to put it down. And let's glue her down. And what I was thinking, actually a friend of mine here on YouTube, gosh, we've been friends for years though, but we know each other through YouTube, is she mentioned, wouldn't it be nice for me to put, you know, some pictures of me and my friend. And I forgot to do that in the journal itself. So I'm like, well, what I'm thinking of doing is getting a picture, printing it out on my sprocket, which will print a 2" by 3" picture. And I just had to fix that. It looked crooked to me. It was bothering me. So wait, let me just get this down. Okay, so what I was thinking was getting like a 2" by 3" picture and print it out on my sprocket, right? And put it here and then write a note to my friend here. So that's what I'm thinking. There'd be plenty of room on the back to do that. And that would also, I like that actually very, 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 very much. So that is probably what I will do. That will be my plan. So now, what do we do at the top, right? I want to have something a little bit more girly on here, right? So I like that. Of course, I would either fold it or cut it. But I like that. So let's kind of do this and let's see. So I could do that. I like that. Or I could do this. Oh, wow. And I like them both. So it would go something like that. I think I'm leaning more towards this one. It's already like the perfect shape. I like it. I like it. So I'm going to put this down up on top. And you know what, I'm just going to have it go over the back. So I think what I'll do is I'll glue it onto the back first. I think I just put too much glue on there. And so let's get that down. And then on the front, oops, I just messed up my napkin. I'm going to put the glue up on the top where the holes are not and hold it down that way. Just like that. So this is still going to be loose. And I think I'm okay with that. I mean, I guess I could put a little bit here. Like that. Okay. I think I feel better about that. I'll clean up the edge. And I like that. I like that a lot. I did want to punch a hole on the top and put some twine in it. And I used this twine inside of the journal as well. And the reason why is because she gave me this twine, right? So it's sentimental for that reason as well. So let's go and let's punch a hole and put in some twine, and we're calling it done. But I'll go ahead, of course I'll put her name on it, and I'll you know, I'm gonna write on the back. I have to go find a picture and print it out, but I want to show you what it looks like on the present. And I think that this will look super pretty outside of the journal and inside of the journal. I might take a staple or a little bit of glue. I'll take a little bit of wet glue. You know, let me do that now so it can dry. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of wet adhesive under here just to kind of help it stay where I want it to stay. Yeah, so if you haven't heard about the napkin collaboration, actually Sheree and Joanne from Junk Journal Treasures and I were co-hosting together a napkin collaboration. And the last week is this coming Friday. And yeah, so you can definitely find out about that on one of our channels. I will try to remember to put the link below to my announcement video. Oh my gosh, is that perfect or is that perfect? I love it. I think that she is going to love it. And I'll finish, you know, I'll finish filling it out for her. I'll put her name, I'll put the picture on the back, I'll write her a quick little note. And yeah, so I'm loving it. Wow. Okay, so that's really the end of my envelope journal videos. That's really it. All right, everybody, have a blessed week. Alrighty, bye-bye.